We ready? Start. You have invited me here on an auspicious day for this auspicious opening ceremony. I have come here gladly for a variety of reasons. Perhaps some people might wonder what is the connection between Gandhiji and this great factory, for he was apparently not favored great factories. He thought much more of the village and the home, and yet I feel that this idea is due to a basic misapprehension. I am quite sure that if it had been our good fortune to have Gandhiji with us today, he would have been glad at the opening of this factory. This factory, like all factories, does not come in the way of his basic desire to develop the village industries and generally raise the standard of our vast rural and urban population. Some people take rather a narrow and lopsided view of Gandhiji. None of us, perhaps, is fully capable of understanding all the aspects of his many-sided character. We cling to one or two aspects, not realizing that we do not see the whole of that remarkable personality. Many, I suppose, took the letter of what he said and paid little attention to the spirit, to the underlying philosophy for which he stood. You will remember that often he let us have some glimpses into his mind which would show that mind was deep and wide and looked not only at the millions of our people but at the whole of humanity functioning at a particular moment in India as the leader of a great struggle against a mighty empire. He brought methods and tools into play which were particularly suited for that struggle as well as for the constructive activity of the nation. He laid stress on village industries, and curiously enough, even those who were critical of him, who were skeptical about village industries and the like, today stand for village industries and the development of our rural areas. Others have arrived only gradually and through painful processes of reasoning at the conclusion he arrived at intuitively. And there is no conflict between that conclusion and this factory or other big factories that we might build, because we try to coordinate the two approaches. There can be no real well-being or advance in material standard in India without the big factory. I shall venture to say that we cannot even maintain our freedom without big factories. We cannot keep pace with the modern world unless we adopt the latest techniques, whether it in for the big factory or the small or for village industry. Stop.